In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Overstock account. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Overstock or go directly to overstock.com by entering the address in the URL bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're on the official site. You should see a secure connection indicator near the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click the account icon. This opens the account option so you can manage sign-in and registration from one place. Next, choose Sign In. Even though it says Sign In, this is exactly where you create a new account. Overstock places the Create Account option on the sign-in page, so both returning and new customers start from the same screen. You'll see a form. Click into the email field and enter the email address you want tied to your new account. Use an email you check regularly so you don't miss order updates or verification messages. If you're doing this for personal use, avoid shared addresses to keep your account secure and private. Move on to the password field and type a strong, unique password. Aim for at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessed details and try not to reuse a password from another site. A password manager can help you create and remember a secure password. Now click Create Account. This submits your email and password to set up your new profile. If the page highlights anything in red, like an email formatting issue or a password that doesn't meet requirements, fix those items and try again. On some layouts, you may be asked to confirm by clicking Create Account once more. Go ahead and click it again to finalize. If a checkbox for terms or privacy appears, review the links and check the box before proceeding. After a moment, you should be signed in. Look for the account icon showing you're logged in. If you see a message that the email is already in use, that means an account exists for that address. Use the Forgot Password link instead of creating a new one. If you don't receive any confirmation screen, refresh the page or revisit the account icon to confirm your status. That's it. You've navigated to Overstock, opened the account menu, used the sign-in page to enter your email and password, and completed the create account process. From here, you can explore your account settings to update your profile, add a shipping address, and save a payment method when you're ready to shop. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Overstock account.